On board na guys. Ito na yan? Hindi siya nag-English eh. 21 na ba to? Ah, ito. Asa na ba sila?
唔會漏水啊！唔漏水。
Macdo, 7-Eleven. I don't know where we can buy the Class A thing. Actually, I don't know where to go, so I just follow where the people go. Oh my god, maybe I get lost. I'm looking for a street that a lot of Class A. I don't know. So today I'm just gonna walk around, and next time before I come here I will search in the internet where to go. So for now I'll just try the local food here. Oh my god, I get lost guys. I'm scared that I will be late in my duty. I'm trying to find a taxi now, but I only have few money. I hope this is enough for the taxi. Hong Kong money. So hard to find a taxi here. Waiting for a taxi, guys. I'm so nervous I'll be late. So I'm late now. I just take the taxi. It's a little bit expensive than the bus, but I have no choice. It's like 70 Hong Kong. Yeah, I'm in a hurry now. I can't find the bus. Finally, guys, I'm back here. I made it.
Because it's not allowed that side.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Excuse me, we gonna. 你好，我们要
旺角比较好一点。
好，那去旺角。尖沙咀要远一点，那旺角就要便宜一点，因为我昨天去的尖沙
是啊
咀。，I tomorrow even say
Do you have Wi-Fi?
No, in the car.
In the bus there is.
Some
然后都会有的。
有 WiFi 吗？海底捞时间不够，我们2点必须要回船，1点半必须要离开。现在11点半。
那你肯定赶不到了，你要
赶是赶得上，但我现在又要买东西。So you want to eat hot pot or not？
这里去就是旺角了。
还有多远呀？那个旺角
10分钟对吧
？10分钟啊？
红绿灯。
对啊，你看走了这么久，都60多块钱。
全部都是海尾。
对啊。
They said Mongkok is a lot of restaurant there.
I'm worried about price. I don't want to pay more than one. She don't know how to. She don't know how to reason up the baby. Oh shit, this place is really poor.
Why?
Sounds is more rich. But there is more
The
people.
building is old.
But there is more people. 金沙咀。
远啊，大理，大理，他说大理。
This one.
Okay.
You like in here?
Yes.
You like in here? But they also have some. Here. Okay, let's go up. If you go, we go back.
Yes.
I should. 这里有一个吃饭的一条街，全部
你好，左转，还有几家？
Okay.
left and right. They have some stairs.
Yeah, I want to.
Because this food, no, I don't like.
Yeah, I want to experience the Chinese
circle.
food. What is the circle? Grocery? Lovelands. Yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
No bad boys here.
Of course.
It's safe? Oh my god, it's a suckling pig. Wow, duck. You wanna eat here?
It's the nice thing.
Okay.
Maybe we can sleep. You want to sleep? Okay, take a picture.
Walking in the street at night. Shit, man, Lina, man. Everything is closed. Okay.
Man, what should we eat this one?
Shit, man, we've been here, but you said
Take
it's
good
expensive.
papaya. Oh, shit.
Shit, man.
Jayo, jayo.
I'm doing a video in my vlog. I love to walk at night. Virgin Street. See the shop that you buy is closed already. There's Money Exchange, but it's closed.
Let's go walk a little bit and wait for the taxi.
There's a lot of taxi here.
我现在希望
Let's take picture, Lina. Lina. Lina, ma.
Oh, what did they say?
You smoke cigarette? Let's go. Taxi, Lina. Let's go now. I'm scared to be late.
Here is everything so cheap. The
Oh,
clothes.
yeah?
I should bring you here early because there's closed. Everything closed.
Uh-huh.
It's so cheap.
Really?
But,
We should go there.
But when we finish, it's too late when we come out.
Yeah. Next time.
8 o'clock.
But tomorrow
9
I can
o'clock,
go out.
8 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
Oh,
There's
shit,
more
man.
people there. One go. Oh, check the 7-Eleven. Oh, there's 7-Eleven.
Hey, what time now? It's 1 o'clock, man.
Where's the road to park? Oh, there, right? Where's the road we can pass?
Nothing road. Let's go now. There's the street land. We go here this side. No, Lina.
Here.
We'll not waste our time, man. Like, here's like night market. Let's go, Lina. No, nothing there. I'm scared to be late, man.
Why are you scared? We will go back. Okay, no, it's okay. We don't want to go. Because that's the last time. Last time we come.
Wine? You want to drink wine? While we're walking?
Oh, now
Yellowtail. It's like $3. It's the same. The same in France.
Chinese soy milk.
Oh yeah. I don't like the Japanese soy milk. No taste.
They have
Last night I drink beer. This one's good for your blood menstruation. The bitter beer.
like grapes, 100%. But doesn't have the ability. Check it. I chose.
Shit, man.
Let's go there. Big 7-Eleven and we'll go, okay?
You can heat your food there. Self-service. So easy.
Buy some
Yeah.
food.
Oh, you can make your own noodles here. You buy noodles and you have hot water there. Very nice. Wow, this is so cute. Look at this. So cute. Or this one. It's for the kids. Oh. Let's go.
But I cannot drink cold because my child.
No, I'm here in China, so I don't want to eat this American sandwich. Oh my god, he left. Shit, man. See, I told you. You cannot stop here. Ask this guy.
我昨天给你发的微信，再给我发。Victoria, I will know that place more.